In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your window switch on your Mazda 3. It's located on the driver's side front door. You're going to slide a trim tool underneath and pop out your switch bracket. Once you do that, you're going to pull it out. You're going to see two connectors. You're going to disconnect the connectors. Press in on this tab and just pull. Using a Phillips head bit on my drill, I'm going to take out these 3 screws. Now we can remove our switch. To install our switch, we're going to insert it into its bracket. Make sure the bolt holes line up. I'm going to start our screws. And screw them in. Once those are tight, we're going to plug in our connectors. And then we can pop in our bracket.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.